special kind of device which can be used in any kind of industrial uses, household purposes, or any other medical uses, especially sensitivity of the solution. And we know that its value ranges between 0 to 14. So 0 to 14 is a pH scale. Okay. So if value lies between 0 to 7, it will be acidic in nature, as we already know. Okay. If the value is less than 7, it will be neutral. For example, water. Okay. Water is a neutral in nature, so that we can drink it. Okay. And if values lie between 7 to 14, it will be basic in nature. It will be basic in nature. So some experiment having principal working and maintenance of pH meter. So have a look of pH meter. Come with me. This is a device. Okay. So it is a pH meter. So two kind of meters are there. One is a pH meter, another one is pH paper also. Okay. By pH paper we can find out the pH of a particular solution by dipping the length of the paper inside the beaker. But that is not sufficient for all kind of solution. So that pH meter method is more suitable method to detect the pH. So we have a lot of solutions available. We have acids, we have bases. So by these all kind of solutions we can find out the pH. Okay. So let me see. This is a rod. This is a Calomel rod, which I have already discussed with you people in the classroom. Okay. So Calomel rod is a special rod which is very helpful to find out the pH. So we have to connect this rod with the pH meter. Okay. Now this is working. So this is a simple water. There is a simple water inside this conical flask. Let me transfer this water in this beaker. Okay. See, it is a water having pH 7, it's showing 7. Okay, so we can say that any kind of neutral solution having any kind of nature, okay, it will be showing its pH on the screen immediately after dipping your Calomel rod inside the beaker. So this is the solution having pH 7. So it is completely digital in nature. So by using this, the first thing is our time is saved, because time is very sufficient, so we have to manage all these things in very short ways. So pH meter is very helpful to save our time actually. We have another method, pH paper is another method, but that is time consuming method and the results are not particularly correct. So we are using pH meter and replacing the pH paper. Okay, so all these kind of solutions are there. HCl is there. This is HCl. What HCl contains? HCl contains hydrogen and hydrogen and chlorine. Atomic number of hydrogen is? Atomic number of chlorine is 17.5. When we calculating the molecular mass of HCl, it becomes 35.5 plus 1, 36.5. So molecular mass of HCl is 36.5. So but in this experiment we are going to find the pH of the HCl solution. So let me calculating another values. It is changing now. So one thing more, these are two capsules. Okay, so you will see here is written as pH is equal to 7.00 and here is pH 4.01. So pH of these kind of solution is already set up in these capsules. We have to dissolve the particular salt inside the capsules in the beaker. Okay, just I am showing to you. See, this is a salt. Okay, so this salt we have to dissolve in the water and it becomes the solution having pH 4.01. So we can detect the pH of that particular solution. See, this is acid. Okay, its value is going negative, but actually it will be moving upside. It will be stationary at 0 or 1 because it's acidic in nature. As I have already told, in case of HCl the value is 0 or 0.5 or 1. Okay, because acidic, it is a highly acidic in nature. HCl is highly acidic in nature, so its value is moving upside. Okay. You can reconnect it. Okay, you can use these buttons, so you can try. Yeah, you use this button, lower button, 2 to 3 times. Yes, wait, just wait. Now again use this button. Now open this standard net roll. Just open this. Okay. Now put this roll in this beaker. It will be rising. It is HCl solution. Its value is less than 7. So when the values are not able to change, and now we have to just standardize the solution because some particles are just sitting on the bottom of the beaker. So we have to just shake. See. Yeah. First of all, take this neutral solution and after little bit washing.